Wanna turn your reading list to playlist? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert any source from PDFs and YouTube videos to LinkedIn posts and blogs straight to audio format using Gemini Notebook. First, open your browser and type Gemini. Now come to the left side and click on the setting button. Here you can find Gemini Notebook. Click on it. It will open the Gemini Notebook in a new tab. Here you can see what it can do. You can go through them and study about them. Let's just click on Create New. Here you can upload your data. You can search on the Google and upload whatever you want. And also you can give a link to upload or upload a file. Let's do a few examples to see how they work. Okay, I'm starting from upload files. Click on that. Here I want to upload these two files. Keep the control button and select multiple files. You see here it is uploading the files. At the same time, you can use your Gemini for writing the prompt. This is a prompt that Google Gemini has written for me to include these three items. Let's see what we have uploaded. I have uploaded these two files. This one seems a presentation with 200 pages about neurocommunication. There are lots of information in this file. The other one, another presentation about synaptic plasticity, 78 pages. Total is around 300 pages. Will take too much time to check what are the content. So I'm going to make an audio overview. Click on audio overview. Here we have 4 formats: the deep dive, brief, critique, and debates. The first one I'm going to try is this brief. You can just click on generate and create brief format, but also you can add your prompts here. I copied this prompt from Google Gemini. I have included these 3 items: sleep and wakefulness, memory and learning, psychology of the reward system, to prepare the summary in English. Also here you can choose the English language. Okay, now I click on generate. You see it starts generating the audio overview. Since it will take some time, here as written, come back in a few minutes. Okay, as you see, the brief audio generated. These 300 pages after preparing as an audio became less than 2 minutes. Let's play and check what it look like.
This is the brief on synaptic plasticity and brain chemistry. We're diving into Dr. Farman Farr's medical presentations on how our brains physically rewire themselves based on experience, a phenomenon called synaptic plasticity, and how specific chemicals dictate our sleep, learning, and drive for rewards.
It's quite nice audio. I will upload the full result in my Telegram channel. You can check there. Now let's try another example. As you see, this is an article in Blogspot. Shared a lesson learned here. Copy the link, then come to the Gemini Notebook. And here for the sources, just paste the link and click on this button. It will start uploading the same article. Okay, now again click on audio overview. This time I want to use the deep dive. And here we select the previous files only, keep the article and click on generate. As you see again, it is started generating the audio overview. As you see, the other one also completed. Oh my God. Let me show you something. See, this is the whole article. It's just small article, one A4 paper, hardly. But what it is provided, since I used the deep dive, it became over 19 minutes. Let me play what it looked like.
It is 2013, right? And you are standing on a sweltering beach in Indonesia.
Just a beautiful, completely unforgiving environment.
Oh, exactly. And your job is to drag this massive, incredibly heavy offshore oil pipeline out of the ocean and onto the land.
Which is, no small feat.
Right. So to do this, do you use a highly calibrated, mathematically modeled, multi-million-dollar piece of specialized machinery, or do you just tie the whole thing to a local bulldozer and hit the gas?
I mean, I know which one sounds better on paper, definitely.
We all do. But today, we are looking at a spectacular multi-million-dollar mistake. We are diving into a classic case of what happens when over-engineering and corporate risk aversion completely blind highly technical experts to the simplest, most effective solution, staring them right in the face.
It is just a phenomenal case study. Like, we spend so much time in modern engineering and project management worshiping complex systems,
Absolutely.
Trust.
As you see, there are two persons that discussing about the lesson learned. It's quite long. I think 19 minutes for this small article looks a bit longer than usual. Oh, by the way, for having these audios, you just can click on these three dots and click on download. So it will start downloading. Okay, let's do another example. I search here with the keyboard, Orcaflex, Python, Riser optimization. Click on this button. Start searching. Okay, as you see, it has found 7 sources. Let's click on it and see. Riser optimization with Python interface to Orcaflex. Okay, this one has selected all. I first deselect them. Select this one. I think this one is fine. We click on import. It's started importing. Again, we are going to make another audio overview. This time, I want to try the critique. And click on generate. As you see, again, started generating the audio overview. Okay, as you see, this one also completed the generation of the audio overview. Let's play.
Welcome to The Critique, where today we are analyzing a highly diverse technical portfolio encompassing an offshore engineering case study, a Python-based Orcaflex optimization tutorial, and comprehensive lecture notes on synaptic plasticity. Integrating narrative arcs into technical case studies significantly amplifies the impact of the operational lessons learned.
Yeah, and looking at this first piece, the Balagan Shore Pulling Project, the weakness is that the text accurately outlines the chronological events, but it treats the underlying human and organizational friction as, a mere afterthought rather than the focal point of the learning experience.
Right, it's just this flat timeline of events.
Exactly. We get the initial suggestion to use a bulldozer, the subsequent dismissal by top management in favor of a linear winch.
The bureaucratic hurdles that followed.
Yeah, and then the ultimate...
Okay. You know what mistake I did? And actually, this is something inevitable. When you are doing this, you need to be more careful. The sources are all ticked. So what they have provided, they have mixed different topics that are irrelevant. Okay, let me repeat what I did, but this time in a correct way. Okay, I'm going to click on audio overview again and critiques. And here You need to select the sources, deselect all, and just riser optimization with Python interface to all complex. This one I select and confirm. Language, English. Length, default. You can select short also. Click on generate. Since what we are using is free, it has some limits. As you see here, as written, you have reached your daily audio overview limits. Come back later or upgrade. Anyway, this is the way that you can do. If you like the video, please consider to give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, stay stronger than yesterday.